Introduce me, Siska Sprihatin from 24C Management class. Here I will discuss the material of market balance in the business mathematics. Market equilibrium is the agreement price between buyers and sellers which is formed as a result of bargaining. The existence of demand and supply encourages buyers and sellers to carry out a bargaining process to obtain market price. Meanwhile, quoting from Investopedia, a market is said to have reached price equilibrium when the supply of goods matches demand. Market equilibrium is defined as a condition where the quantity supplied is equal to the quantity demand, or the number of goods requests is in accordance with the price offered. This price balance usually occurs when buyers reduce price and sellers increase price. This continues to happen until finally there is an agreed price. Thus, market equilibrium is a condition where the goods that buyers want to buy have the same price as the price offered by the seller. Market equilibrium is the agreement price between buyers and sellers which is formed as a result of bargaining. If the price offered by the seller to the buyer is expensive, then the goods or service will not be purchased or sold. Because of this, seller or producer will lower their price so that buyers can buy goods and use their service. Conversely, if the price offered by buyers is too low, sellers will not sell goods or service. Then buyers will increase the price. Market balance has an important role in controlling price. So there will be not price that is too high or too low, but seller and buyers benefit from the situation. Reporting from the Fullerton College website, the market equilibrium price can also be seen in the form of a curve. If the supply and demand curve intersect, then the market is in equilibrium or balance. These are things that have the potential to influence market balance. The first is the availability of goods as requested. A seller will provide goods according to the quantity requested by the consumer. If there are too many goods available and demand is small, then there will be not balance. It will even affect the price of the item on the market. Secondly, inventory of goods according to the buyer's offer. To get a price agreement, the buyer will make an offer to the seller. Buyers will also purchase existing inventory of goods from sellers according to what is needed. If both par- if both parties have agreed to a specific price agreement, then that price is what is called the equilibrium price. Third, balance of demand and availability levels. The buyer's need for goods available on the market means that the seller must ensure the quantity of merchandise available. Goods must continue to be available within a certain period and not at excessive amounts of goods. So, when a buyer makes a demand for the item without changing the quantity demand, this is this is called balance. Fourth, there is a similarity in the amount of producer supply and consumer demand. An offer will be called effective if the producer is able to sell goods according to the exciting quantity. Manufacturers will not increase the amount of inventory. Meanwhile, consumers are requesting goods in quantities as usual. If this happens, then balance will persist continuously. Again, the impact will be on market price. If balance occurs, there will be no increase or decrease in price. Everything will be stable or constant as usual. That is the explanation of market price or market balance. It could be said that the equilibrium price or market price is the agreement price between buyers and sellers which is formed as a result of bargaining. I'm Siska Suprihatin and read Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.